Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Box, your favorite place to learn real-life English through fun and relatable conversations. In today's video, we have a hilarious hostel scene where two roommates struggle to collect money for a food order. It's full of practical phrases, beginner-friendly expressions, and real daily life English that you can use right away. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the conversation, because learning English becomes easier when you learn it with laughter.
Ayesha, listen, we need to order dinner now. If we order late, delivery will take forever. I agree. I am already starving. My stomach is making protest sounds. Good. Then please send your share of money. I am placing the order. Where is my wallet? I think it ran away because I never feed it. Ayesha, stop joking. Yesterday you said the same thing. I know, but yesterday my wallet really was empty. Today, it is even more empty. So you have no money again? I didn't say no money. I said creative financial situation. That means no money. Okay, fine, you caught me. I have 5 rupees. 5 rupees? Ayesha, we are ordering pizza, not chewing gum. Pizza is expensive. Happiness is also expensive. Why is life like this? Ayesha, please be serious. Everyone in the room paid except you. We need your share too. Can I pay in installments? Like 1 slice today, 1 slice next month? You want to pay your bill with slices of pizza? It's a very fair system. Modern, flexible, emotional. Ayesha, no. Money today. Fine, let me check again. Maybe 1 note magically appeared. Nope. Only a chocolate wrapper and my hopes. You could have saved money if you hadn't bought that useless bubble toy last night. Hey, that bubble toy gave me emotional support. You cannot put a price on peace. You literally paid for it. True, but it helped me relax. Now I am relaxed but broke. Okay, listen, if you don't pay today, next time you will not be included in the order. That is emotional blackmail. That is reality. Okay. I will borrow money from Hina in the next room. Good idea. Go quickly. But what if she says no? Then you come back and I laugh at you first, and then we think of plan B. Very kind of you. That was fast. Did she give you money? No. She only gave me judgmental looks. Ayesha, you need new financial strategies. I have one. Let's order now, and I will wash the dishes for 1 week as payment. 1 week? It should be 1 month. No. Even Netflix gives 1-month trials. I am not that easy. Okay, listen, I will cover your amount today, but you must promise to send me money as soon as your father sends your allowance. I promise! I swear on my bubble toy. That is not very convincing, but fine. Thank you, Sara. You are the financial backbone of my life. No, I am the suffering roommate of your life. Same thing. Now send the order details, and no extra fries this time. Wait, then what is the point of ordering? Ayesha. Okay,
only one fries, for emotional support.
Okay, only one fries.
Great! Then I'll add dessert too.
Ayesha.